how to freeze location on Life360 without anyone knowing. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So first method is that you just have to turn on aeroplane mode and then turn on your Wi-Fi and turn off your locations. So after that, this method might work or might not work. So the next method what you have to do is go to the Play Store and search for the location changer application and install it to your device and change your current location with the original location. So you just have to change your location and this will help you to freeze your location. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.